Weekly Forex outlook for Sunday, September 11, 2022 to Friday, September 16, 2022. If you're a returning viewer, you already know the deal. If not, I'm going to be breaking down the 5 main currency pairs I traded when I see them for this upcoming week. And this is after me coming back from like 3 weeks of not posting, and I haven't been trading that much. I've been dealing with some personal shit, so I'm now back. So start us off with GJ. So GJ, I'm just gonna break down the previous week, even though I haven't been on the charts for 3 weeks. So from the previous week going into this one, Sunday's the 11th, so Saturday the 10th, the 9th. So what? Sunday's the 4th. So the 4th, okay. So the 4th to here with GJ. So what happened? We seen a big push in price, right? Price was previously respecting from a previous area of daily demand, aka support. Oh my gosh, support right around this area before overall respecting that area and pushing to the upside, just around there. Right now, you see price is currently rejecting from a previous area of H4 / daily supply, had drawn right around here. That still hasn't been broken, right? 3 previous touches, as you see here, and now here. It's 2 previous touches, sorry. So let's see what happens in that area. I would be watching this area to see what price does. The 166.052 to the 166.396 area. In fact, that's too wide, so I'm gonna shorten it up a bit. Right there. Yeah, so right around there, where we still have a touch or respected area. Minor area of H4 demand. I'm also gonna end this right around here. Just right around there. So let's see what happens. But that's all I'm seeing with this pair. I'm also gonna delete these areas. No longer respected areas of H4 / daily demand, aka supply, resistance, or support, however you want to call it, based on the way you trade. So that's all I see with this pair. Next we have GBPUSD. So GU from the previous week going into this one, which was the 5th to the 9th, or the 4th to the 9th. Sunday's the 4th, Monday's the 5th, Tuesday's the 6th, Wednesday's the 7th, Thursday's the 8th, Friday's the 9th. So yeah, the 4th. The 4th to the 9th. So what did price do? Daily structure has been bearish, right? Weekly structure has been bearish as well. H4 market flow is bearish as well. Actually, we kind of had a market flow switch, seeing as this would be the last valid H4 lower high, right around here, that led it into this lower low, right around here. So we had a market flow switch, we had that break, retest, not a full market flow switch actually, we had a transitional market flow switch from bearish market flow to bullish market flow. So I'd want to see a follow through beyond this breakout point, right around here, that I'll now label as the breakout point. So let's see what happens. But that's how I'm seeing with this pair. Bearish on the time frames, looking like we could get a market flow switch from bearish to bullish market flow, but it would just be a bullish market flow switch if it does happen within daily bearish structure. Could be a what's it called? A retracement within daily structure just to fill in this empty space right around here. So let's see what happens. Next we have Euro USD. So Euro USD from the previous week going into this one. The 4th to the 9th. What was price been doing? So looking at it from a daily time frame, we're obviously bearish right right? H4 market flow, we have a bullish market flow switch from bearish market flow to bullish market flow, right? You had the break of this last valid H4 lower high with a retest and a follow through beyond that breakout point. So bullish market flow is bullish on the H4 time frame. On the daily time frame, we have an overshoot beyond, I guess you could call this a last daily lower high, although I would just focus on this point, but it still does show a good pullback before a follow through. So I would validate this as a H4 lower high, daily lower high that led to this lower low. We have an overshoot beyond this area, or this could be the breakout point. We have to see how the market acts when it's open, right? As far as we know, when the market does open, this candle will close. So it will close as a wick overshoot beyond the last daily lower high that led to that lower low. As far as the weekly time frame goes, the weekly time frame is bearish. So I'm just looking at continuation moves all week with these pairs. Next we have AUD USD. So AUD USD from the previous week going into this one. I don't know why I just zoned out just now. AUD USD from the previous week going into this one. What happened? We have a bullish market flow switch from bearish market flow to bullish market flow. Right. Daily structure is bearish. Weekly structure is bearish as well. I most likely we just wouldn't be watching this pair. I want to see price push up to the upside a bit more, but we do have a break of this H4 supply area right around there. Other than that, not really much else to break down with this pair. Last but not least, we have USDJPY. So UJ from the previous week going into this one. Price has just been trending up. Like it's on an uptrend on all time frames. Like how could you really break down this pair? It's so obvious what it's gonna do. You could see there is a H4 demand area right around here. Other than that, not really much else to break down. A lot of empty space that price can come back up to fill within this area. Already looks like it touched it. Well, like I said, other than that, not really much else to talk about. But that's all for my weekly breakdown. Apologize if this video is shit. I'm just transitioning back. I don't really like to talk about my personal problems, but I have been going through a lot these last 2 weeks. A lot of dumb shit, to be honest. But life keeps pushing. But I thank you guys for watching my videos and have a good trading week.